सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page number 40, shloka number 25. विजातीयमसत्तत्तु न खल्वस्तीति गम्यते नास्यातः प्रतियोगित्वम् विजातीयाद्भिधा कुतः. Vidyaranya analyzing the Chandogya mantra Sadeva Somya Idamagra Asit. Idam Jagat Sadrupena Asit. Before creation, this Panchabhuta Prapancha Prakarshena Panchavidaha Prapanchaha. Why this universe is called Prapanchaha? Pancha Pra means Prakarshena. Very distinctly, very beautifully, very gloriously, this Prapancha is made out of 5 elements. Prakarshena Panchavidaha. Akasha, Vayu, Agni, Apaha, Prithvi. Space, air, fire, water, earth. All these 5 appearing in manifold ways. Prakarshena Panchavidaha Idam Jagat. The word is used by Aruni Uddalaka in that mantra for this world Idam. Idam means this world. This world was there. In what form? Sadrupena. Before creation. Agre means before creation. Sadeva Saumya. Sadrupena. Pure existence. Pure consciousness. Shuddha Sattvam. Shuddha Sat. Rupena Asit. That idam jagat panchabhuta varnana he has done. After doing that panchabhuta varnanam, how the world appearing in the 5 elements are appearing in the world form, later he says this Sat Brahma doesn't have sajatiya bheda, vijatiya bheda, swagata bheda. Whatever you see in this universe, it has got internal differences, external differences, species-wise difference they have, whereas Brahman, Sat Brahma is free from internal difference, Brahman is free from external difference. Sometimes I use the word Sat, sometimes I use the word Brahma. You have to understand Sat is equal to Brahman. Sadeva Brahma, Brahma eva Sat. Sat alone is Brihattamatvat, Sarva Vyapakaha. It is infinite. Therefore, Sat is known as Brahman. Brahman is called Sat because the always existent principle. Therefore, it is called Sat. That Brahman is free from all differences. Because Brahman doesn't have parts, there is no Swagata Bheda, internal differences, Niravayavatvat. There is no second Brahman to have Sajatiya Bheda. There is no second Brahman to have Sajatiya Bheda. First Brahman, second Brahman, or first Atma, second Atma. Ade Brahman, when it is available in this body, what is the name? Atma. That Brahman which is all pervading, since it is all pervading, it is all pervading also. All anna enna all? English or Tamil? Tamil all. So that Brahman, it is all-pervading macrocosm level. Same Brahman, when it comes to micro level, individual level, body level, Vyakti level, that Brahman only got the name. Why? What name he has got? Atma. So whenever I say Sat, you have to understand Brahma. Whenever I use Brahma, you have to understand Atma. Whenever I say Atma, pure Atma, not Jiva Atma. Jiva and Ahankara is not. When I say pure Atma, if I take Lakshartha Atma, that is Sat. Vachyartha I, Lakshartha I. Rundirku. So when I am listening to Shastra, who is listening? And Vachyartha I is listening to understand Lakshyartha I. Nannarko? Vachyartha I is listening. And without Ahankara you cannot listen. You have to use your ears, Srotra Indriyam. You have to use your Chakshur Indriyam. You have to use very important Manas Antakaranam, Manas Indriyam. Sometimes I show Manas and brain here, not brain. Manas Indriyam means because of which your mind, brain is functioning. So, Manas Indriyam Antakaranam. So, this is Vachyartha I. Vachyartha means what? Primary, immediate meaning of I. So, Vachyartha I Mulama. What am I going to arrive at? Lakshartha I. That is called Atma. Clear? So, that Atma is free from Vijati. Aalukor Atma kadiyadu. There are no many Atmas, only one Atma. Why? Since Atma is Brahman, Brahman is Sat. Therefore, Sat, Brahma, Atma, Sadatma. Appadi pottukalam. Sattu plus Atma, Sadatma. These Sadatmas are not many, but one. There are no many waters. Only one water. In your house, my house, water is one. It is in different containers. Space is also one. In your house is a different space. My house is a different space. No. Space is one. Because of containers, halls, enclosures, it appears as though many. Similarly, Atma also one, ekam eva. In different body containers, dabbas, all like container na Tamil, English container, Tamil, dabba. All that. This is dabbas container. Atma is available, one Atma. No Vijatiya Bheda. There is no second Atma. Second Atma illanna, then Sajatiya Bheda. Sajatiya Bheda is not there. What about Vijatiya? Other than Sat, if you say something else, okay, that is what we were discussing in the last class. Suppose you say there is Vijatiya Bheda, Swagata Bheda is not there, okay, Nirvayavatvat. Sajatiya Bheda is not there because it is secondless. I can understand. Why can't there be a Vijatiya Bheda and who is different from Sat? Vijatiya anartham, different from Sat. Sat is one Jati. Sattuk different ana Jati enna irka mudiyum? சத்து ஆகாமல் இருக்கிறது இருக்கணும் இல்லையா? சத்துக்கு ஒரு ஜாத்தின்னு வச்சா சத்து இஸ் ஒன் டைப் ஆஃப் ஜாதி. சப்போஸ் இமேஜின் சத் விச் இஸ் நாட் சத் ஜாதி மஸ்ட் பி வாட்? அசத். அசத் ஜாதி இஸ் தேர். அசத் மீன்ஸ் வாட்? non-existent. Asat means what? Non-existent. How can a non-existent thing can have a Vijatiya Bheda with Sat? How can the Sat can have Vijatiya Bheda which is non-existent when it is Asat? கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டம்தான் இது புரிஞ்சுக்கிறது. ஏன்னா அசத்தன்னா non-existent, சத்தன்னு என்ன சொன்னா? existent. Asat means non-sat. Non-sat means what? Non-existence. A non-existent Sat cannot have Vijatiya Bheda with a non-existent thing. Therefore, no Vijatiya Bheda. Therefore, what? Na pratiyogitvam. Na ataha asya asataha na pratiyogitvam. What I said pratiyogitvam means whenever you say this is different from that. Okay. I gave an example. Cow is different from a zebra. Cow is different from Ancholinan. If I stop, immediately you will ask a question. Cow is different from what? From what, if you ask, immediately I have to give answer. Cow is different from zebra. From what, when you ask, I give the answer. Zebra. That means zebra will become Pratyogi. Puriyardo. This jasmine is one type of, idu enna peru? Nityamalli. Appa acham Telugu, Tamil. This Nityamalli is different from rose. I say Nityamalli is different from. I say immediately Nityamalli is different from what you ask. I say, I give the answer, Nityamalli is different from rose flower. That rose become what? According to Nyaya language, that rose flower become Pratyogi. Isn't it? Pratyogi. From what, when you ask, after from, whatever I give the answer, it is known as Pratyogi. That Pratyogitvam, for that Asat doesn't have that Pratyogitvam. Sat is different from, I say, Sat is different from. Immediately what do you say? What you will ask your question? From what? Sat is different from what? Then I say, Asat. Sat is different from Asat. Suppose I say, Asat is what? Non-existent. How can a non-existent thing can have a difference with Sat? Sat can have a difference with another existent thing. Another existent thing is not there other than Sat. Therefore, if you say Asat, it is non-existent. So, Asat can have the status of Pratyogitvam. Asat can have, and the rose flower la Pratyogi vandadu. Zebra place la Pratyogitvam is possible. Asatya Pratyogitvam is possible? Not possible. Why? Non-existent. A non-existent thing cannot have a Pratyogitvam status. A non-existent thing. Asat annale non-existence. A non-existence can never have a Pratyogitvam status to differ from that Sat. So it's very technical shloka. With this, Sajatiya, Vijatiya, Swagata Bheda is over. Next shloka we will enter. In that mantra only he is quoting. Sadeva Saumya Idamagre Asit Apram Ekameva Advitiyam. Idam he has explained by Panchabhuta, Viveka, and Sad also he has explained. Sat means pure existence. Eka Asit, Ekameva Advitiyam Sat. Sadeva Somya Idamagra Asit, Ekameva Advitiyam. Sadeva Somya Idamagre Asit over. Now, Ekameva Advitiyam, Chandogya mantra for next portion. Ekam eva advitiyam, that we'll read 26th shloka. Ekameva advitiyam sat, meva advitiyam siddhamatra tu kechana vivhala asadevedam Purasiditya varnayan second line, asad, that sakara is not clear, its printing is not clear. Asad eva idam, asadevedam. Now Vidyaranya is bringing a Purapakshi here. Who is that Purapakshi? He is going to elaborate. First we see the first line, first half. Ekameva advitiyam sat siddham. Siddham means we have established, accomplished. We have arrived at siddham. Kim siddham? Ekameva sat siddham. Sadeva Soumya. That Sat word, first word in the mantra. Sadeva Soumya. That Sat is Siddham. What type of Sat? Ekam eva advitiyam. It is one, it is secondless. Secondless, one Sat is established. Why? How you establish? Because of no Swagata Bheda, no Sajatiya Bheda, no Vijatiya Bheda. By negating three Bhedas, we have established Ekam Advitiyam Sat Siddham. Pure existence is established without any Nama Rupa. Pure existence. How we have established? Even though you are seeing Nama Rupa, they are all unreal. Inhering principle Sat in between all objects is not available for perception, but still it is always there. Ekam eva. Aalukur atma kadiyadu. Ekam eva. Advitiyam, because it is secondless. Therefore, advitiyam. Dvitiya rahitam advitiyam. Dvitiya rahitam advitiyam. There and there, I want to bring the practical application. Okay, this is my way of teaching. Practical application, engyo vechandi shastram tallite poradhu, it won't work. Here you look at me. Advitiyam, I said, secondless. How can you understand what is secondless? It takes janmas if to understand Advitiyam. If you don't see its a practical application. I want to tell you. Secondless. What? Sat. Sat means existence. Existence, how you present in Sanskrit? Sat means existence. How you present to yourself first person when it comes, I am. Okay? Nan irken. Existence in Tamil enna solluvel? Irpudal. Nan irken. So, I exist. I exist. Existence is called Sat. When I exist, I say, convert into first person, I am. I exist in anartham, I exist is equal to I am. That means exist. Sat is called existence. Existence is called am. I am. So Sat is Brahman. Sat is equal to existence. Existence is equal to Brahman. That existence is called I am. Therefore I am Brahman. Advitiyam, secondless. How? When all of us use the I am, there is no difference. When you use I am, when she is I am, when he is using I am, and the I am word is, there is a difference? No. That is called Advitiyam. Secondless. There is no second I am. I am la bhedam kadiyadu. Idhula bhedam irukka? Nama roopanlo bhedam irukka. Pure Sat, I am when we are using, நம்ம என்னன்னா நம்ம ப்ராப்ளம் என்னன்னா நம்ம ஐ ஆம் சொன்ன உடனே ஒட்டின்னு இருக்கோம் உடம்புக்கு மனசுக்கு. We are very much stick to the body mind. பிரிக்கவே முடியாது. டீச்சர்ஸ் ஹேமர் பண்ணினா கூட நான் வரவே மாட்டேன் சுவாமி, விடவே மாட்டேன்னு. I am plus Namarupa. Pure existence plus Namarupa. That's why pure existence plus Akasha Namarupa is called Akasha. Pure existence plus air Namarupa, air we call it as. Pure existence plus fire Namarupa, it is called fire. Pure existence plus water Namarupa, it is called water. Pure existence plus Prithvi Namarupa, it is called Prithvi. Pure existence, so and so name is called this name. So without pure existence, you don't have existence at all. So Namarupa, pure existence only has got this name and form. Forms may be different, names may be different, but that pure existence which we are calling all of us in the same way, I am, I am, I am, நான் இருக்கேன், நான் இருக்கேன், நான் இருக்கேன். தமிழில் சொன்னால் நான் இருக்கேன், ஹிந்தி சொன்னால் மெய் ஹூ, தெலுங்கில் சொன்னால் நேனுன்னானு. இந்த மாதிரி டிஃப்ரெண்ட் லாங்குவேஜஸில் அந்த ஐஆமில் டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் கிடையாதுன்னா அத்விதீயம். நாமரூப பகுலம், த்விதீயம், மல்டிட்யூட் நாமரூபாஸ். As many names, so many forms, as many forms, so many names. In all of them, Sutre Manigana Iva, what is continuously there? I am. And the தைரியம் வரணும். சத்து இருக்கு, புரிஞ்சிருது சுவாமினி. இந்த ஆல் நாம ரூபா சத்து இருக்கான்னு சொல்றோம். ஏதோ ஒரு நாளுக்கு அந்த சத்து நாம் தான் புரிஞ்சுக்கிறோம் இல்லையோ? ஐ ஆம். In all Nama Rupa, who is there? I am. When I say I am, is Lakshyartha I or Vachyartha I? Lakshyartha I. Vachyartha I cannot in all, no? Vachyartha I only in the chair. Vachyartha I is sitting in the chair only. If it is there in Mylapore, it cannot be in T Nagar. If it is in T Nagar, it cannot be in Mylapore. But Lakshyartha I inheres in all bodies, in all objects. So all pervading, advitiyam, ekam eva. Naidi Atma Sat principle, I am in all bodies. You also can say that. Every one of you can say that. All Panchadashi students can say. Not everybody can say. Only Panchadashi students can say. What? I am in my husband also. I am in husband form. I the Sat, Lakshyartha, I am in husband form. I the Sat am in the daughter's form. I the Sat am in servant form. I the Sat am in driver form. ஆமா, அங்க சொல்றது கொஞ்சம் தயக்கம். அதுதான் சொல்லணும். I the Sat am in crocodile form. I the Sat am in zebra form. I the Sat am in Nityamalli form. Where I am not? Where am I not? What a glory. Whose glory is my glory? Which glory? My glory is Lakshyartha glory or Vachyartha glory? Lakshyartha glory. What is Lakshyartha? Don't ask me. I have already explained. That's what. Ekameva advitiyam sat siddham. Siddham or not now? Have you accomplished now? Very good. So what? But kechana, there are some buddhus. Kechana, tu means not like these people, intelligent Panchadashi people. There are some people atra regarding this subject matter. Atra means ekamevadvitiyam sat siddham. Like this topic, when it comes, pure sat, kechana, what they do? Vifalaha. They are confused. Vifalaha means stultified, stunted. Their buddhi will become stunted. They cannot understand. And class ku vandadani. That's why if you study under a competent Vedantic teacher, you can understand. Once you don't study from a competent teacher who is Shrotriya Brahmanishta Guru, they become what? Vihalaha. They become confused. Vihalaha. Asad eva idam. They say what? It is not sat, it is asat. Idam sarvam. What we are saying? Idam sarvam yadayam atma. Whatever is there, everything is Atma, the Sat Brahman. That Kechana Janaha, what they say, Vibhalaha, confused, Asadeva idam. Everything is non-existent. Non-existent in a void, emptiness, shunyam, asat, illai. Asadeva idam Kechana Vibhalaha. Avarnayan, they utter, they declare. Avarnayan. Pura asit iti avarnayan. Asadeva pura asid. Pura enna pura? Tamil pura illa. Pura means agre, before creation. Before creation, asadeva asit. Non-existence alone was there. Inne? Non-existence alone was there before creation. That means what? Shunyam, emptiness. Asat means shunyam. This is called Shunyavada. There are one branch of Buddhists called Shunyavadis. Madhyamika Buddhas, Bauddhachara, Madhyamikas. They talk about Shunyam. There was no Sat. There was no existence at all. Before the creation, there was Asat. After destruction also, there is going to be Asat. Whatever you are seeing in between the world is Brahma. They say, Bhranti. It is your Brahma. They say. So, Asat alone was there, they say. What we say, Pura Asit Asat. And Chonna, Asat, how can it exist? Previously, that's what they are coming to conclusion, Shunyavadis. So here Vidyaranya bringing the Madhyamika Purvapakshis, Shunyavadi. How Chandogya was so much before, Madhyamik Buddha is very recent, few centuries before. Chandogya is ancient. How Chandogya can talk about Shunyavada? What you have to understand? Shunyavada, Purvapakshi, always some Purvapakshis will be there. Every period of time. Even in Kruta Yuga, Dwapara Yuga, Treta Yuga, at the time of creation also there are Purvapakshis. Objection is always there. So, at the time of Chandogya, when Aruni was teaching to his son Shvetaketu, there were Shunyavadis. So he was addressing to that Shunyavadis. But we do not know those Shunyavadis' names because ancient. But the same concept now Buddhists have got. Therefore Vidyaranya, which is familiar to us, Shunyavadam, he is mentioning their name. Kechana means Buddhists. So don't ask me the connection. Buddhist recent centuries before only Chandogya eppudo vandadille eppadi connection chronological discrepancy varade ani kekakudadu. Shunyavadam Purvapakshi எப்பவுமே இருக்கும். எந்த காலத்திலும் பரவபக்ஷி இருந்துட்டே இருக்கா. ஆனாலும் அவனுடைய பேர் நமக்கு தெரியாது இல்லையா? இப்போ இருக்கார் யாருன்னா Shunyavada is there now also. Buddhist Madhyamika is a Shunyavadi. So this problem was addressed by that time also that there were Shunyavadis. Ippudu purinchukanum. Puriyardilliyo? I hope I am not confusing you. Okay. There were Shunyavadis. Now, what are these Vidyaranya time la adukku munnadi pinnadi irukira Shunyavadis yaranna? Both Madhyamika Buddhists. So these people never accept Sat. Pura Asit iti avarnayan. They describe. Avarnayan means they describe about Asat. Asat alone was there before creation, Pura. Because they were confused. Vihalaha. Why? They cannot grasp Sat pure Sat, Nama Rahita Sat they cannot grasp. He is elaborating now. Next shloka. So from 26th to 35, Madhyamika Bauddha Nirasaha. 26th onwards up to 35. Madhyamika Bauddha Nirasaha. Next shloka. Now he is giving example. Why they are vivhalaha, they are confused. Because like this person, he is giving example. Why Vidyaranya introducing this Madhyamika Purapakshi here? Na? See, we have studied that Sat Brahma Sadeva Saumya Idamagra Asit. We have studied Ekameva Advitiyam Siddham. It is free from all Sajatiya, Vijatiya, Swagata Bheda. But that is not sufficient. Sthuna Nikhanana Nyayavat. When you want to put a pole, you want to put clothes, wet clothes. You want to tie a rope. To tie a rope, that side and this side, you want to put pillars, small poles. And the pole, when you want to put in the earth, you dig the earth and the sand, you remove it and put the pole. After putting the pole, what do you do? You move the pole. Why you move the pole? In the weight clothes, if I put, it should not fall down. Wash the clothes, waste up. And you move the pole and put some stones and again you hit there. That is called Sthuna Nikhanana Nyaya. Sthuna Nikhanana, you put some stones and again you make it, it should not move, it should not shake. This is called Sthuna Nikhanana Nyaya. Like that, Vidyaranya doing Sthuna Nikhanana Nyaya. All of our minds are like poles. We are receiving the knowledge of what? Sadeva Soumya Idamagra Asit. Who knows this pole again will shake after some time. That's why he want to make your knowledge firm. Therefore, he is going to make it Sthuna Nikhanan Nyayavat. Come on, look at these people who are talking about Asat. You have to falsify them. Previous one, the defense argument. Defense argument and Sadeva Asit. Sat alone is there. Sat alone is free from all differences. We have established. Now is offensive argument. Offense enna nee tappu ena avanukku sollanu. Asat argument whoever do, we have to say they are wrong. We have to refute. We have to negate. Then only your knowledge is strong. Illenna Buddhism irunda enna ahatam irakattume adu kuda anna. Buddhism is dead against to Hinduism. இது நிறைய பேருக்கு தெரியாது. இப்போ வரும்போது தான் 2 புத்திஸ்ட் மாங்ஸ்னு பார்த்துட்டு வந்தேன். நான் போல அந்த ரோட்டு மேலே பார்த்தேன். Buddhism, what they say, they are against to Vedas. So they are not friendly with Hinduism. They are propagating everything against to Vedas, Hinduism. Therefore, Buddhism is not, we should not keep any even Buddha statues. Innu solla pona. That means you are encouraging Buddha philosophy. I see in many houses Buddha photos, Dhyana Mudra. Romba prashantama irukar avar. Prashantama irundha irukattum namma veetla edukku. Enna Swamini ivvala romba hard ah pesrilla appadha pesanum. அவர் ஃப்ரண்ட்ல இருப்பார், பிள்ளையார் எங்கேயோ பூஜா ரூம்ல இருப்பார். வந்த உடனே யாருன்னு பார்க்கறான்னா புத்தர்னு தான் பார்க்கணும். யாரு புத்தன்? Who is the against, dead against Vedas? Who no teacher talk like this publicly. But I am dare to talk, I have to say. Otherwise, how do you know? I saw one house, a big Buddha statue in front. வீட்டில் போன உடனே புத்தா ஃபோட்டோ தான் தெரியும். Why we should not keep? He is Avaidikaha. Avaidikas should not be encouraged. Ambedkar is one who took Buddhism, no? Totally changed to Buddhism. There are many people now also they are converting into Buddhism. What they know about Buddhism? They say only we don't like Hinduism. What do you know about Hinduism? Tell me now. I don't know about Hinduism. But then why you are refuting Hinduism? You don't know about anything Buddhism? No, his principles are good. What principles are good? Study? Understand? No, they don't try to understand. Why? Vifalaha, confused. Why they are confused? Come on, read why their buddhis are confused. Why they are thriving in this country still now? Statues and statutes are there. Not நம்ம நாட்டில் இல்லை, வெளிநாட்டில் எல்லாமே big statues. So there he is refuting that Vidyaranya. Look into the mantra. படிச்சோமோ ஸ்லோகம் படிக்கலாம். 27. Magnasyaabdhau yathakshani vihfalani tathasyadhihi akhandaikarasam shrutva निष्प्रचाराभिभेत्यतः वो भी ठीक है, ये भी ठीक है, नहीं चलता है. Okay, this is also right, that is also right. Never go. Tandavalam vandavadane roots are changed. When it comes to philosophy, தண்டவாளம் தெரியும் இல்லையோ, அங்கே வந்த உடனே இது டெல்லி போகிற ட்ரெயின், இது கல்கட்டா போகிற ட்ரெயின் வேறு. எங்கே ஆல் ரிலிஜன்ஸ் கேன் லீட் டு சேம் கோல் என்ன பூஜ்ய சுவாமிஜி நெவர் அக்செப்ட். ஹவு தே கேன் ரீச் டு சேம் கோல்? Hinduism only reach to that whole truth. All others can stopping their தண்டவாளம் கிட்டே இருப்பான். They cannot reach. So it's up to religion wise is okay, but don't accept the philosophy. That's why we allow up to religion, Christianity and Muslim Islam we allow up to religion. Philosophy we don't accept. Because that philosophy can never give you moksha. Jivan mukti talk kadiyadu. In Visishtadvaitam Dvaitam itself there is no Jivan mukti. What to talk of Islam and Christianity, Buddhism? புரியுறதில்லையோ? விசிஷ்டாத்வைத்தம் துவைத்தம் தே ஆர் அவுட் ஹியர். அது கூட வரப்போகிறது. விபகலாஹலக் அது கூட வருவா. ஆமாம், தே ஆர் ஆல்சோ கம்மிங் இன் டு தட். ஓகே, ஜஸ்ட் ஆஸ் ஹியர் ஆல்சோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைன் 2 letters are not clear. Yatha akshani yathakshani, that thakara is not clear. Then vifhalani tathasyadhihi, tatha, that thakara also not clear. Now he says, dhihi vifalani asya dhihi enar. Yatha abdau magnasya akshani vifalani. Drishtanta. Just as when a person drowned in waters, abdau means in the ocean. In waters, abdhi means ocean. Abdhau means in that ocean, when person is drowned. Magnaha means drowned, fallen in that waters. Akshani vifalani. His akshani means his eyes, his all sense organs, especially eyes, nose, all sense organs will become vifalani means non-functional. All will become non-functional. Akshani means all sense organs. Vifalani. When you drown in the water, can you see anything in the waters? You are not swimming like that person wearing glasses and swimming. You have drowned. Without helplessly you have drowned in the water. What can you see? You can rub your eyes to see. You cannot see anything in the waters. So everything is hazy in the waters when you drown. So you struggle to identify something, but you are not able to. You do not know where you are. You are confused totally. Yes or no? You are totally confused when you are drowned. Why? Akshani vibhalani. Like that. Like example, like that, all Purapakshis are like people who are drowned in the water, whose buddhi is not functioning, non-functioning buddhi. Dhi enna buddhi. Dhi enna buddhi. antःkaranam. Tatha asya dhihi. Tatha means yatha abdo magnaha vifalani akshani tasya purushasya tadvat tatha yatha tatha correlative tatha like that. Asya dhihi. Asya na madhyamika buddhist, a shunyavadi who is talking asya alone was there before creation. This person buddhi vifalani akhandaika rasam shrutva, by listening to sadeva soumya idamagra asit ekamevadvitiyam, adi ketta udane avanike confused. Pure Sat alone was there. Nama Rupa Rahita Sat alone was there before this creation is coming. And Chonna, avanku ore confusion. Pure existence, how it can exist? Akhanda Eka Rasam na pure existence. Akhanda Eka Rasam. Milaha Rasam, Jiraga Rasam, Dhaniya Rasam. Enna Rasamo Cholinirkaya. Vedanta is what Rasam? Akhanda Eka Rasam, non-dual. Akhanda means non-dual. Eka means uniform, homogeneous. Eka Rasam Shrutva, by listening to this. By listening to this Shrutva, Nishpracharaha, their sense organs stop functioning because they are confused. Their sense organs, Nishpracharaha means Kalakai Adavila. Children, million. எனக்கு இன்னைக்கு காலு கையே ஆடலை அப்படி ஆயிடுதா. இவனுக்கு ஒன்ஸ் யூ ட்ரவுன் இன் த வாட்டர் என்ன ஆகும்? காலு கையே ஆடாது கொஞ்ச நேரம் இல்லையோ? அது மாதிரி ஆயிடுச்சா இவனுக்கு பாவம். புத்திஸ்டுக்கு மாத்தியமிக புத்திஸ்ட் தேர் கன்ஃபியூஷன் இஸ் லைக் திஸ். பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் தட் ஒன்லி தே ஆர் பிளாபரிங். பிகாஸ் ஜஸ்ட் லைக் எ ட்ரவுன்ட் பர்சன் இஸ் கன்ஃபியூஸ்டு, his limbs are non-functional, like that this Shunyavadi Buddhi is also non-functional. Nishpracharaha means non-functional. Vihvalaha means confused. Because of confusion, their sense organs, here sense organs, ange sense organs, inge enna ange sense organs anna ellame buddhi manasu indriyas ellame out when you are drowned. Similarly, this person also, when he listens, Sadeva Saumya Idamagra Asit Ekameva Dvitiyam Shrutva, having listened, heard that statement, he became Nishpracharaha. He became non-functional. His buddhi became non-functional. Became non-functional and making meaningless statements, worthless statements. That is what he says. Not only that, having become a non-functional, vibheti ataha. Because of this, when I talk about that Sat, Ekameva Advitiyam, pure Sat exists before the creation, Channa Udane, he is afraid of that. Bibheti. Bibheti, Bibhyataha, Bibhyati. Bhi dhatu, third conjugation. Bibhyati, ataha, Bibhyati. Ataha means Panchami. Ataha tasmat karanat. By listening, after listening this statement, Ataha bibheti. Abhaye bhayadarshinaha. Udaramantaram kurute adhatasya bhayam bhavati. So he is afraid of this, what? Sat Brahma. Next shloka. He is, Vidyaranya is taking the support of, I have support of Gaudapada Acharya, I have support of Shankaracharya, so therefore I have lot of support to attack this Madhyamika Buddhist. What Gaudapada Acharya says? 28. Gaudacharya nirvikalpe samadhavanyaya gira Anyayoginam samadhavanyayoginam sakara brahmanishtanam atyantam bhayamuchire. First line, It is not yaginam, but it is yoginam. And the first line is first half also nirvikalpe, and the V is not clear, that also make it clear. Gaudacharya means Gaudapadacharya. Nirvikalpe sakara brahmanishtanam anya yoginam samadhau atyantam bhayam uchire. What Gaudapadacharya said in Advaita Prakaranam of Mandukya Upanishad, he says, next shloka, he is going to quote that Karika. Here Gaudapadacharya said, he is mentioning. What Gaudapadacharya said? Gaudapadacharya belonged to 8th century AD. Vidyaranya belongs to 12th century AD. Okay. Gaudapadacharya was more previous than Vidyaranya. So Vidyaranya quoting. Gaudapadacharya is the teacher of Shankaracharya's guru. Shankaracharya's guru Govinda Bhagavatpada. Govinda Bhagavatpada guru Gaudapadacharya. That Gaudapadacharya said like this. What? Nirvikalpe. Nirvikalpe means in this pure existent consciousness principle. Vikalpa rahitam ityarthaha. Nirvikalpa means what? Attributeless. Nama rupa rahitam. Adjunctless. Attributeless. Pure sat. Nirvikalpe. Who are all afraid of bhayam? Who are all having fear? Anya yoginam, other people, other yogis who are all worshipping Saguna Brahma Nishthanam. Anya yoginam Saguna Brahma Nishthanam, who are all committed to Mangala Sukravaram Puja tomorrow. Panchadashi alla edukappa namakku? Shukravara Puja. Correct vandadu paarengo. Saguna Brahma. Tomorrow, Sukravara Lakshmi, Varalakshmi is what? Sagunam Brahma. Very nishtha. Lot of nishtha is there. Nalekidane puja. Inike class ku varakudadu. Inilinde preparation eppadi panna mudiyum. Nalekidane puja. That is called nishtha. That is called nishtha. They give priority importance to that only. Because they have nishtha. Anya yoginam upasakas. Anya yogina upasakas. Even yoga philosophers also, they talk Ishvara only in sagunam, not nirgunam. So anya yogis means all yoga practitioners who are upasakas. Saguna Brahma nishtas means who are all doing Saguna Brahma upasana, panchayatana puja, anda puja, inda puja. Adilone nishtha. Puja pannalam. Anana, that is not ultimate. Idi theriyano. But nishtha means what? That is the only thing ultimate. There is no nirgunam Brahman. He is criticizing whom? Refuting whom? Vishishtadvaiti, Dvaiti. Okay. Even Advaiti, we are also encouraging puja. Puja for what sake? For Gnana Yogyata Prapti, Chitta Shuddhyartham, Upaya. It is a Upaya. Upaya Sovataraya. To cross over this samsara, it is a Upaya, technique. But that is not ultimate. Clear? Even from Shunyavadi onwards, Vishishtadvaita, Saguna Brahma Upasakana Erpo, Anya Yogi and Yarana, Nambal, Vishishtadvaiti, Dvaiti, Hinduism lone. Shunyavadi vandi Madhyamika, Avane Vattikala, Asatani Cholita. Ivangalana Nirgunam Brahmame Kadiyadani Cholra. Pure attributeless Nirvikalpa Brahman Kadive Kadiyad, idella above head. Head irindadane. Above head ki head irkiliyo head irke ananu buddhilo vifalani ennaru. They are all confused. Nishpracharaha. Buddhi is not functioning. Buddhi is stunted, stultified. Therefore, Saguna Brahma Nishthaha Atyantam Bhayam. Gaudapadacharya said, Atyantam Bhayam. They are all extremely frightened. Advaitini kandane bhayam, odipora. பியூர் எக்ஸிஸ்டன்ஸ் அந்த பேச்சு வந்தாலே அத்வைத்தம் சொன்னால் அம்மா இதெல்லாம் தப்புன்னு சொல்கிறா, பயப்படுறான். பகவான் பனிஷ் பண்ணுவான். இந்த அத்வைத்தின் ஒரு நாள் இவன் எடுத்துகிட்டு போய் நரக்கத்தில் போடுவான். ஆமாம், அப்படி பயம்லாம் கொடுக்குறான். அவங்களுக்கு பயம். ஃப்ரைட்டன் ஊச்சிரேன்னா கௌடபாதாச்சாரிய ஊச்சிரே வச்சு தாத்தோஹோ லிட் ஊச்சிரே ஊச்சே ஊச்சாத்தே ஊச்சிரே லிட் 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 பிரதம புருஷ பகுவச்சனம். தே Shankara Gaudapadacharya said, these people have lot of fear. Who are they? Saguna Brahma Nishthaha. Shukravara Lakshmi Nishthaha. Don't think. I worshipped once upon a time Shukravara Lakshmi. I used to prepare that Ambal. She is the one who gives Jnanam. Theriyuma? You have to worship like that. Not that reducing the Advaita Vedanta down. This is down, that is vote for Nala. Wholeheartedly when you worship that Shukravara Lakshmi, she is Jnana Pradata. அப்படி வருஷம் பண்ணலையே, பணம் வரம் ஞானங்கிற வரம். I asked her ஞான வரம், she gave. Who is asking? If you ask for Nishkamataya, if you do puja, she gives Jnanam. But what people are asking? Panam, panam da varam. Apdi enna sakama bhakti aidam. See, you cannot get moksha. So Saguna Brahma Nishthaha bhayam uchire. Atyantam bhayam, not ordinary bhayam. Nama, extremely, excessive anartham. Afraid of. Next sloka we will read. Asparsha yogo namaisha yogino bibhyati durdarsha sarva yogibhihi Yogino bibhyati hyasmat abhaye bhayadarshinaha. Somebody it is said like the Shivaji can born in neighbor's house. Shivaji should not born in our house. பக்கத்து வீட்டில் பிறந்தா நன்னா இருக்கும். சிவாஜி, சத்ரபதி சிவாஜி, இந்த லோக்கல் சிவாஜி சொல்லலை, இந்த ஆக்டர் சிவாஜி இல்லை. சத்ரபதி சிவாஜி இஸ் எ கிரேட் பர்சன். நம்ம பக்க ஆற்றுல பிறக்கட்டும் அண்ணா, நம்ம ஆற்றுல பிறக்கக்கூடாது. என்ன பிறந்த ப்ராப்ளம், ரொம்ப நிஸ்வார்த்தமாக இருப்பான் இல்லையா? லைக் தட் பீப்புள் ஆர் எஃப்ரைட் ஆஃப் தட் தர்மா, ட்ரூத். Another example, people love to taste the sugar. Sugar சாப்பிட்றது பிடிக்கும். ஆனாலும் are you ready to become sugar? You are liking sugar. Are you ready to become like a sugar? No. I don't want to become sugar. Why? I want to enjoy sugar. I want to enjoy sugar. என்ன அர்த்தம்? They want the Lord only for enjoyment. They don't want to become Lord. They don't want to become Swami, Bhagavan. They want to enjoy the Swami. Kochu Guruvayurappa. இப்படியே சொல்லுவா, கொச்சு குருவாயூரப்பா. அதரம் மதுரம், வதனம் மதுரம். அவர் லிஃப்ட், அவர் அழகு கண்ணு பாரு எப்படி இருக்கு. கராரவிந்தேன முகாரவிந்தம் பதாரவிந்தேன வினிவேஷயம் தம் பாலமுகுந்தம் வடபத்திர சாயி. ரொம்ப அழகாக இருக்கு சுவாமி. ஏன்னா we don't want to become that. We want to enjoy that form, color, complexion. அதிலோடு இருப்பா லைஃப் லாங். Enjoy for some time. Try to understand his real nature. How can you understand? If you sit in front of him, you cannot understand. You have to come to class. அவ்வளோதான். You have to come to class, understand who is real Balakrishna. You can understand. But people don't like. They don't want to become sugar. That's ardhamanga. Nobody want to become like a sugar. Enjoying the Bhagavan's sweetness, nobody want to become Bhagavan. If you enjoy the sweet, if you become Bhagavan, you become sweet. Is it not? Ennartham. Ethanal saaptinde irpa sugar na. Adi madri, here Gaudapada Acharya, Vidyaranya lifting the total sloka from Advaita Prakaranam, 3rd chapter, 39th Karika. Asparsha yogo vai nama. Are you remembering the shloka? Engyo ketta madri irka? Mandukya Upanishad. Asparsha yogaha nama eshaha. This nirvikalpa samadhi, pure existence. And samadhi means what? Don't take yoga samadhi. Samadhi means understanding, abiding, establishing in pure existence at the back of your mind, subconsciously, in spite of nama rupa. This is called, that pure existence is called asparsha. This knowledge is called asparsha yoga, untouched. I, the pure consciousness existence, am untouched by anything in the world, nama rupa. Electricity is not touched by the bulb. Electricity is not touched by a fan. But it enlivens the fan to move. It enlivens the bulb to brighten, give light. Similarly, I, the consciousness, pure existence, make this body, mind, bulb to function. I am asparsha. This is the asparsha yoga. Nama means it is called as Durdarshaha. It is very difficult. Durdarshan sarva yogibihi, for all yogis, for all people. Therefore, for those yogis are not able to understand this, that upasakas, yoginaha bibhyati. They are all afraid of this. Asmat, because of this, out of this Sat, they are afraid of. From this Brahman, what they have gotten? Fear. Bibhyati asmat. Abhaye bhayadarshinaha. Abhayam, this is Abhayam pratistham vindate. Abhayam, once you understand this pure existence, you are fearless. Abhayam. That's why தாய் காமிப்பா அபயம். ஒரு நாளைக்கு நீ அங்கே பஞ்சதசி கிளாஸுக்கு போ, இந்த அபயம் என்ன புரியும்னா, ஆஹா அந்த கையே பிடிச்சுடுவா. They pull the hand of the Devi. Every god is showing abhaya hastam. What it means? Where is this abhayam? Asparsha yoga ஞானம்ல அபயம் இருக்கு. நீ அம்பாள் பார்த்துட்டே உட்கார்ந்தானே அபயமே வராது. நீ எத்தனை சுக்கிரவாரம் பூஜை பண்ணாலும் பயம் பயமாக தான் இருக்கும். பஞ்சதசி கிளாஸுக்கு வரலன்னா Abhaye bhayadarshinaha. Bhayadarshinaha. They are afraid of this pure Brahman. தெரிஞ்சிருக்கிறதுக்கே பயப்படுறான். வேதாந்தம் கிளாஸுக்கு வர்றதுக்கே பயப்படுறான். அங்கே போனால் கடவுள் இல்லைன்னு சொல்கிறான். கடவுள் இல்லைன்னு யார் சொன்ன? பூஜை இல்லைன்னு நான் சொன்னோம். Half cooked knowledge, half knowledge problem. Therefore listen properly, Vedanta. Understand. Don't come to conclusions, wrong conclusions, and don't misinterpret Shastra. Priyada, you must have guts, courage, bravery, to face all people and to transform them. You are also, they will make you loda. You must have firm knowledge, conviction in your understanding. If you don't have conviction, anyone can come and shake you. That's what he says. Yoginaha bibhyati asmat abhaye bhayadarshinaha. Bhagavat pujya padascha shushka tarka patu namun ahurmadhyamikan bhrantan acintyesmin sadatmani. See that Sat Atma. In the Sadatmani, which is Achintye. unthinkable, incomprehensible. Because of their sushka tarka, their logic is meaningless logic they are using. Shankaracharya also saying, Bhagavat Pada, Pujya Pada, saying, Ahuhu. This madhyamikaha bhrantaha iti. They are all confused people. That I explain in the next class. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.